The Zimbabwe National Students' Union, ZINASU, yesterday threatened to shut down universities and colleges in 7 days if the Higher and Tertiary Education Ministry turns down its request for dialogue over a basket of challenges. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The union has been protesting over what it terms out-of-reach tuition fees and have requested an audience with the ministry to prevent further dropouts. Addressing the students on Monday at ministry offices, ZINASU President Emmanuel Sitima said students were frustrated by the refusal of authorities to dialogue. If they fail to respond within the time frame, ZINASU will have no other choice but to shut down institutions of higher learning, said Sitima. We also held a multi-stakeholder meeting on February 27, which was attended by all stakeholders including the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Higher Education, but the ministry decided not to come. Sitima said students wanted to be heard and their input considered in shaping policies that affect them directly. In today's news, ZINASU threatens to shut down universities. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.